First, open Veo AI through the supported Google AI video generation interface. To improve AI video quality, start by using a clear and detailed prompt. Describe the subject, environment, action, camera movement, lighting, atmosphere, and overall visual style you want. Avoid adding unnecessary details that can confuse the generation. Next, choose the highest quality generation settings available to you in the current Veo AI workflow. If options for resolution, aspect ratio, duration, or
Get
other
the
generation
robot!
controls are available, select the settings that match your final project. For realistic videos, pay special attention to lighting and physical movement. Describe natural shadows, realistic textures, believable motion, and consistent environmental details. Camera movement is also important. Instead of requesting several complicated movements at once, use one clear camera movement that supports the scene. For example, a slow tracking shot or controlled push-in can produce a cleaner result than combining multiple rapid movements. Next, generate several variations of important scenes. Compare the results and choose the version with the best character appearance, motion, lighting, composition, and overall detail. If you notice distorted faces, hands, objects, or backgrounds, simplify the scene and regenerate it.